What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. So first and foremost, before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe down below, press the subscribe button, tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. So if you're interested in learning how I make my crochet thong bottoms, if you're interested in seeing how I crochet thong bottoms, be sure to keep on watching this video. So if you guys did not catch in my last video, I mentioned about my Patreon, and basically with Patreon I have two tiers. There's community and VIP. With the community, you'll have access to me. You can ask me questions. You can ask other people in the community questions. And with the VIP, you get private lessons. You get Q&As, live chats, access to private live streams with me. Everything in the previous tier. And then you get free patterns as I make them. And you do not have to do this, but I just feel like the people who financially support me deserve a little bit more. And then also the first 10 VIP members will receive a free beanie made by your girl. You know what I'm saying? These all look cute. And one of these already finna be gone because I got one. And also just wanted to give a quick shout out to one of my first 2 subscribers on Patreon, Ebony from New Zealand. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm gonna help you get to, you know, top tier level. You know what I'm saying? We'll be doing big things soon. Shout out to my boyfriend. He subscribed too. You support me so much. I love you. Fist bump me. Ping. And so Ebony will be receiving her beanie within the next few days. I'll be sending it out. My boyfriend, he already has a whole bunch of beanies for me, so he ain't gonna get no another beanie out of me. And Ebony has also received my pattern for my stuck on you top, which is the colorful rainbow one. I'll put a picture somewhere in here so you guys can see if you haven't already seen it. Without further ado though, let's just get into the video.
Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got croquet on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
So you're gonna start off your work by making a slip stitch, and I'm using size 4 yarn and a 3.5 mm hook. So you're gonna make a chain of 11. This area that we're about to start working on is gonna be the crotch area. So once you have your 11, you're going to insert a half double crochet and a 3rd chain from the hook. This is going to serve as a half double crochet, so you guys need to know that. And then you're going to insert a half double crochet in each stitch till you reach the end of this first row. Next, you're going to chain 2 and turn your work, and you're basically just going to work this for a total of 5 rows with no increase or no decrease. On the 6th row, you're going to begin to work your increase. You're going to insert 2 half double crochets into the same stitch, and then when you reach the end, you're going to insert 2 half double crochets on the last stitch. So make sure you always chain up 2 and then repeat for a total of 15 rows. Well, at least I'm working 15 rows, and I think that a 15 rows would be about a medium, small medium. If you want more coverage, of course, like I always tell you guys in my videos, be sure to just add some more rows. It'll work out perfect. When you reach your desired length for the front, you're going to cut and fasten off, and then you're going to reattach at the crotch area. Now we're going to work the back part. So for this back part, you're going to begin decreasing your work. So you're going to chain up 2, skip the first stitch, and then you're going to insert a half double crochet into the following stitch. As y'all can see, I made an oopsie. Don't be me. So you're going to work a half double crochet in each stitch, well, until you reach the second to last stitch, because remember, you skipped the first stitch, so now you're going to skip the second to last stitch and then insert a half double crochet into the last stitch, if that makes sense. You're just going to continue to decrease until you have a total of 2 half double crochets left in your space. So now as you can see, I have my 2 left. So you're going to chain 2, flip your work, and insert a half double crochet into the next stitch. And you're basically just going to be going back and forth for a total of 2 stitches for a total of 12 rows. So once you have your 12 rows, you're going to insert 2 half double crochets into the first stitch, and then you're going to insert 2 half double crochets into the next stitch, and this is going to help you increase your work so you can form a bigger triangle, and you're going to repeat this increasing for a total of 5 rows. So now we're going to chain 1, and you're going to insert a single crochet into each stitch around. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you all know that I always go around to add a clean border just so my work looks a lot neater than it started. So when you reach back to the beginning, you're going to slip stitch, cut, and fasten off your work. And make sure you also go back and sew in all of your loose ends. You don't want your work looking tacky and crazy. So now you're gonna make a chain of 100 or 150 depending on how big your bum is, because if you got a bigger butt, you're gonna need some more chains. And then after you do that, you're just gonna make sure you go back and sew in your strings. And that's really all for this video. So this is my finished product. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to tag me in your post if you do post a post of you creating something that I've made, because I love to see y'all's work. Yeah. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to tag me in any post that you do have. If you post anything, creating anything that's on my channel, because I love to see y'all's work. Also, if you haven't checked out Patreon, go ahead and check that out. I'll have the link in my description box for you guys if you're interested in knowing a little bit more about it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Message me on my social media account at @itsnailmarie or @NaomiOfficial. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.